I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the working file and naming it clearly so you can track versions. Open a new XLSX and immediately type a header row with the exact column names you'll use. Once done, set column data types, text for ID, date for dates, number for values, and freeze the header row for easy editing. Make sure to create a simple data dictionary in a separate sheet explaining each field. This prevents confusion later and speeds validation. You now focus on entering and cleaning records. Start with a small batch of sample rows to test your structure. Add data validation lists for categories and drop-downs for consistent entries. Use cleaning formulas like trim to remove spaces, date value to standardize dates, and value to coerce numbers. Once done, apply conditional formatting to highlight blanks, duplicates, and values outside expected ranges. Make sure to lock formula cells and document any transformation steps inline so others can follow. You finish by auditing and exporting the dataset. Perform final checks, sort by key fields, run unique or COUNTIF to confirm ID uniqueness, and verify aggregate totals. Then protect sensitive sheets, save a version copy, and export in the required format such as CSV for analysis or XLSX for sharing. If things go wrong, like merged cells or misparsed columns, use text to columns or Power Query to reparse and clean. That single
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.